Well, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix sale cancelled on Stockx. Now, this is guys not really an issue. It's pretty much like the buyer cancelled your order. So let's talk about it step by step. I am a seller and I have added and listed my product, which is this Air Force One, to be sold. And basically someone has come around, view it, seen it, and liked it. This person X has bought it, but later on he changed his mind, he doesn't want this anymore, and basically what happens, he canceled the order. Now, basically when you go to your selling pending sales, like you can see here, or basically current listings, etc., or history, so you will find out that your actual sale has been cancelled. Now, it is not about from your own website or basically from your side or something like that. It's simply that the customer himself didn't want to buy it anymore. So sometimes it could be some bugs. You can contact the support team anyway to get more information about that, but usually it's not really that big of a deal. It's simply that the actual customer himself didn't like to buy it or didn't want to proceed with the buying process, so he canceled the order for any reason that could be between them and the actual Stockx support team. Stockx normally should inform you with the reason, so you could contact them back to know about the reasons, as the cancel of order cannot be done if it was shipped. So in case your product was shipped and the order was cancelled, then of course you should contact the support team and they will 100% refund you for any kind of basically for any kind of cuts or depends that you have gone through. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.